Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all comments and track changes in Microsoft Word. So yeah, for us to get this done, this is a very simple thing. What we're going to do first is head over here to our document, and then we're going to go ahead and click the review tab here at the top. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove all of these comments first. Now to do that, you have the delete here. It's grayed out, but you can see the arrow key here. You can click that one and you can go ahead and click here, delete all resolved comments. And there you go. And then you can do the same thing, resolve or delete all comments in document. So yeah, now that they are gone, we can go ahead and proceed with the next one. And that is removing the tracking. So to do that, head over to tracking here, reject, and then click reject all changes and stop tracking. So if you do that, you can see that now they're gone. This one is still here. That's because we haven't made that comment yet. I'm just going to close this one. So yeah, though that is the easy way. Now, this is the second method that we're going to do. You can head over here to file right here, info, and then you have check for issues. Click this one, inspect document, and then say yes here. And yeah, make sure that comments, revisions, and versions is turned on. Click inspect right here, and it's gonna hunt all those. So you can see here the following items were found, revisions and comments. You can tap remove all right there, and then click re-inspect here to make sure that they're still or they're no longer there. And I close this one. So the moment you close that one, you can see that everything here is gone now. You can see that no more changes and tracking. So yeah, that is the easiest way to remove all comments and track changes in Microsoft Word.